Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the Monthly Valuation Summary report found in the Financials Inventory Valuation section of Communicate for Marketplaces. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communicate for Marketplaces is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communicate features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. The Monthly Valuation Summary report displays your inventory value for each month displayed on the report based on the period selected and the filters applied. Inventory valuation is the accounting process of assigning value to a company's inventory. Any company that sells physical goods must determine the value of its inventory for accounting purposes. Since inventory typically accounts for a large portion of business assets, its value can significantly affect a company's profit, tax liability, and asset value. A clear understanding of inventory valuation using the Monthly Valuation Summary report can provide greater visibility into your inventory value. Let's get started with the Monthly Valuation Summary report presentation for Marketplace Reporting. Go to the Financials Inventory Valuations menu located in the ribbon bar and select the Monthly Accounting Summary report. Right mouse click anywhere in the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. Let's discuss the available filters for this report. There are two options in the Filter Options section of the data filters. The through date filter by default is set to the last day of last month. You can set this to whatever end date you require. Regardless of the date selected, it will always calculate the values for the last day of the month. The next filter is the months filter. By default, this value is set to 12 but can be changed to whatever value you require. The months filter controls the number of months the report will look back and display. The next set of filters are the total inventory calculation options. You can review our video Total Inventory Calculation for more information about these filters and what they mean. For inventory valuation reports, the Include Quantity on Order is toggled off, so those units and values are not included in the totals. We have this option available in case you want to add those values to your totals. Products on order from your supplier are a liability since you will pay for them at some point, but from an inventory valuation perspective, you do not own or have physical possession of those products on order. So they do not count as an asset and should not be included in an inventory valuation report. The data filters for this report include additional filter tabs located at the bottom. You can filter by brands, categories, products, and suppliers. Click on the Products Filter tab. You will see various product filters. These filters allow you to drill down and segment product data into more specific valuations. Go back to the General tab. Now that we've explained the filter options and what they signify for this report, let's review the monthly summaries. We'll use the default filters for this report. Click the Apply button to apply the filters for the Monthly Accounting Summary report. As you can see, there are 12 monthly valuations displayed for this report. Let's look at the data columns for this report so we can explain what each column represents. The report features three groups. The first group is the period. It contains the date period used for data summary. The second group is the inventory valuations for various quantity and value metrics displayed. The third group is the Amazon FBA. These valuations represent products received by Amazon FBA currently being processed, transferred to another Amazon warehouse, or reserved for orders. This section is for your information only. These values are not used for total valuations since these values are already included in your totals. The period column indicates the month and year. The starting and ending columns indicate the start and end dates for the valuation. For this report, the starting and ending dates will always be the last of the month. Before we begin with the remaining columns, let's explain how the values for those columns are derived. With our cloud reporting server, we include a tracking synchronizer. One of its functions is inventory tracking. At the end of each day, the tracking synchronizer records all the pertinent inventory metrics for the day, including product cost and price, along with unit quantities. All valuations are calculated using the recorded product cost for the day multiplied by the various recorded units for the period reported. The units on hand and value on hand columns represents the units available for sale with its inventory value for the period. The units on order and value on order represents the units on order from your supplier with its on order value for the period. The units in transit and value in transit represents the units and value of products you own which are in transit to another warehouse or 3PL. The units reserved and value represents units which are present but not available for sale. These reserved products may be in processing within your own warehouse or set aside for orders for shipment. The units total and value columns represents the total number of units and value for the period. By default, the total columns include units on hand, units in transit, and units reserved. Depending on the total inventory calculation you selected in data filters, the totals can also include units on order along with the units in transit and units reserved. Or it may include none of those values. These selections are user configurable. At a minimum, the total values will include the units on hand and value. Let's discuss some of the valuations for the top row of the report for the period ending April 30th, 2022. For end of month April 2022, the units on hand are 30,483 units with an inventory valuation of $1,483,524.52. You'd think with an inventory value this high you would not need to display the pennies, but accounting folks generally prefer to see the pennies, so we include them with reports like these. If you wish to round these values, you're free to do so. Moving on to the units on order, there are 0 units with an inventory value of $0. The units in transit are 342 units with an inventory valuation of $1,630.78. The units reserved are 566 units with an inventory valuation of $5,651.68. The units total are 31,391 units with an inventory valuation of $1,445,806.98. The report footer contains the averages of each column for all daily valuation summaries displayed in this report. It's a quick and easy way to view the averages for a selected range of periods. In this case, the footer displays the average units and values for the last 12 months ending April 30th, 2022. The daily and weekly valuation summary reports are similar to the monthly valuation summary report. You can use the lessons learned from this presentation for those reports. This concludes our presentation of the monthly valuation summary report found in the Financials Inventory Valuation section of Communique for Marketplaces. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace Reporting provides you with better reports so you'll have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about Marketplace Reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.